Look down your sights. They're there for a reason. I understand it's just airsoft, but look down your sights. Go slow. All right? If you don't need to engage a target, don't do it. Move past. The objective. Let's go.
All right.
This is Sparta. Sleep around and then meet at the ramp.
All right.
Box! 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 Over here! One! Yeah, it's not ours.
Okay, we got time. I'm guessing the other one is probably over there.
I bet the other one's back there. Let's keep moving.
Okay,
Let's keep moving up.
I will. I'll defend with you. I gotta get somewhere covered though.
Yeah.
Are you right on it?
Yeah, I'm right on it.
All right. But the ones we have to catch for, they have green X's. And they're on the other side of the road. So we're defending these right now. Ours are orange circles.
Hey, can we see what it looks like?
Right there. Straight ahead.
Keep going. No.
Straight on. Go clock. Go back. Back. Go to your left. Go around. Straight ahead. Wrong point. Keep watching wrong point. Straight on. Right there. Straight ahead. Turn around. Right there.
No, look. You see that hill right next to you? It's right there. Those are ours.
Combat sequence.
Do what?
Find out if they need help up there or not.
Oh, okay. I've got an idea.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get in a tree.
See, I was thinking that too.
Someone did that last time I was here. They got up in a tree. No one even knew they were there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm too fat. I'll fall out of a tree and probably break a bone.
Yeah, probably. Hey, we got a bunch of friendlies coming this way. I think they're friendlies. Looks like it.